This lesson will show you how to import the virtual appliance after you have successfully extracted all the files using 7-Zip Manager. Now, in order to import the virtual appliance successfully, you will have to follow the next steps. Open the Oracle VirtualBox, navigate to the location of the sample appliance, that is the application which you just extracted from the 6 files. Import the appliance as demonstrated in this video. Configure the VirtualBox, and then you can start your services after that. Let's get started. Go to your desktop where you installed the Oracle Virtual Machine, VirtualBox. Double click on it to start it. Once it opens for the first time, you will see the welcome page. From here you will go to File, then Import Appliance. Then you browse for the orange cube, which is the OBIEE file. And you go to the C drive. And I'm using V305 because it's consistent with the class. You select that option and then open, and then you click Next. Once you get to this point, click or reinitialize the MAC address of all network cards. We're using the host machine, so we don't need to make any additional configurations here. So just click on that option and then click Import. You agree to all the terms, and this would approximately take up to 1 hour depending on the RAM on your machine and the strength of your processor. So we'll wait and we'll get back to this lesson once the importation is done for additional configurations. 1 hour 16 minutes is the approximate time. We'll wait. 1 minute 28 seconds to go. It's been almost 50 minutes from the time that we started importing this appliance.